Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled "Woman Kicks Cop in Face, Instantly Regrets It" by Midwest Safety.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I need you not to touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you. Why would I touch you?
Why are you standing on top of the car like that?
I wasn't here. She attacked staff. She started, when I pulled up, she was punching staff in the face.
Who is staff?
We're okay right now. If you want to keep coming, that's fine. What's going on?
Stop talking about it. She was attacking staff. I need your people to not touch me.
Who the fuck is staff?
The other staff member called the police because I pulled up and the staff was trying to pull off. I was trying to get the staff to pull off.
The staff member that got punched in the face left.
She was trying to leave.
I damn sure would have pulled off. Your ass would have been rumbling on the floor.
This is her right here.
And Kayla jumped on the car as she was pulling off, and so she can't leave. She can't go anywhere, but she just attacked her.
What are you so upset about?
I don't want to talk to you, Papa.
Why don't you want to talk to me?
Oh shit. Racism is not gonna help, babe. She's kind of dead in 2026.
No, I'm straight.
You sure? Basically what she said.
You know something is pretty much dead when, like, even the people that's racist, they people be like, bro, chill the fuck out. Like, this shit is dumb.
Just started wailing on you?
Yeah, that's it. That's all.
You want press charges?
I don't want to.
Okay.
She a good person. Why she opening the door? Why you got your door open?
Get out of the car.
Come on, Kayla. Get out. Come on, Kayla. Get out.
Oh shit.
Get out. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Oh. She Superman kicked her ass. She talking about some doom. Damn. I ain't never seen somebody fall that hard. Is this officer okay? Now she looking like a dead fish. That's what that dumb ass get. Why would you kick an officer though?
You okay?
Damn. She must have horse kicked her ass. You know you done got kicked hard when they gotta get you assistance.
Put your hand behind your back. Watch out, she bites.
She bites. She would have been biting the concrete with me. Mouth would have been right up on it, teeth and all. Don't bite me, bitch.
Now you're going to jail.
Hey, that is a strong knee. Why would you do all that?
Hey, she's having a seizure. She has a
Right, we're rolling on her side.
You sickly and you over here want to cause chaos and drama?
Oh, sit down.
What the hell?
I think she chipped my tooth.
Nah.
Which one?
See, this is why I couldn't be a cop. Because once I gain reconsciousness, I'm going to beat your ass.
I don't know.
Yeah, she'll be okay. Teeth look fine. I don't see anything.
Nope.
My nose feels so weird.
You can't breathe.
No. Again.
What an idiot. She got to have some type of mental health issues.
And the DA just drops her charges anyway.
He ain't lying. They going to do it.
Kick the cop. How old is she?
Hold on. He said she just dropped him. Like she just got out of trouble and you in more trouble? Oh, y'all ain't going to jail.
She's old enough.
Good.
They just never charge her. Drop the charge. I'm still right there.
Just stay on her legs. Just no.
Nuh-uh. Hey, you gonna keep kicking? Taser.
Send us a couple more, please.
Lay there.
Stay there. The f is your stop.
These officers so nice because on other videos, I done seen so many cops put their knee on their head.
No, get off of me.
No.
Knee on me.
Get off of me.
Nah, they ain't getting off of you. You just hurt their colleague.
Anybody have a cage?
Nope. Get off of me. Get off of me.
She need a cage. She need a the little thing that they put on her face. Hey, she need everything.
Get off of me.
Actually, just tranquilize her ass.
No. Stop. Copy. Just make it through.
Just tranquilize her, baby.
Stop fighting.
Get off of me.
That's what he said. Just take it.
Get off of me.
No.
No. Off. No.
About 20 minutes of this, she gonna lose all her energy and she gonna be chill after this, y'all.
Me.
They just be having so much aggression.
I'm like, yo, bro. I'm gonna have my uncle pull
Oh, we got threats on the Leo.
Oh God.
What? Why would you say that? Damn.
So you know with more on your lip. Up here. Yeah.
I would have been like my whole fucking face.
It's not really bleeding that bad. Let's
Hey, can officers press charges on what you call this when they do this?
get a rag.
How does that work?
Maybe an ice pack. All right. We're gonna take you to the hospital.
Or is it assault on the Leo is the charge already off the bat?
I don't know for sure.
Get off of me!
I hope them ants on that concrete tearing her ass up. Cause why would you do that? This was unnecessary.
Off of me, bro! Get the fuck off of me! Get off of me!
No.
Get the fuck off me! I do nothing wrong, bro!
Yeah, you punched somebody and you kicked a cop in the face.
She was coming after me! Fucking what?
Yeah, you're trying to climb in a car.
The fuck am I supposed to do, bro?
Not climbing a car that you didn't want to be let in. They wasn't trying to let your ass in the first place.
Get the fuck off of me! Get off of me! Get the fuck off of me, bro! Get the fuck off of me!
Wait.
Get off of me!
What you thought you was gonna get? It was gonna be roses and dandelions when you kick a cop in the face? No, they finna do your ass dirty.
Get off of me!
Packing the rags for you. I'll just hold it up.
I need to put some duct tape on her mouth.
Get off of me! Get the fuck off of me!
Sergeant's on the way, but she did have a seizure.
She about to have another one.
This person here. Do you need to go to the hospital?
Yeah. She need a mental evaluation.
Ma'am, do you need to go to the hospital? Yes or no?
Yes.
Exactly. You know you need some help. She talking about she hurt. How you think the cop face feel?
Get off of me! Get the fuck off of me! Get off of me! Bro, this is brutally.
You can't even say the goddamn word. Shut up.
Your night's going this way.
You're hurting me, bro! Get off of me!
I don't understand why black, white, Asian, all the ethnicities, when you do dumb shit is gonna happen. You gonna go to jail. I don't be understanding what y'all don't understand about that.
Get off of me, bro!
She bites, guys.
Let me know when we're
Get
ready.
off of me!
Like she a rodent or something.
Let me go! Let me the fuck go! Why you talking to me?
Now look at you. You getting put up like a big ass fish.
You choking me, bro! You choking me! Get the fuck off of me!
That's to stop your mouth from like you can't do that when you getting choked.
Get the fuck off of me! Get the fuck off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me, bro! Get off of me!
Bro, look at this shit. Look how they treating you. You don't think you need an attitude adjustment right now? Like, look at how you acting. Look how they gotta do you.
Get the fuck off of me, bro!
Hold on.
You keep acting up, they gonna hog tie you.
Get the fuck off of me! Get the fuck off of me!
Oh. Taser.
Get in the wagon.
No!
Get in.
No!
You're gonna hurt yourself.
No, y'all gonna hurt me! The fuck
You're hurting yourself.
off of me!
This is the only time I probably would hate being a cop is having to deal with people that's not mentally stable like this. This gotta be taxing on the spirit, in the mind, in the heart, in the body, in the soul. And you know? Shit, bro.
Get off of me! Get off of me!
Get your feet in the wagon.
Get the fuck off of me! Then get off of me!
Back up. You want to get pepper sprayed?
I don't care.
The pepper spray ass then, I wanna see it.
Pull your feet in the wagon. Pull your feet in the
She
wagon.
spitting on people? Like a fish that just won't die.
Get in the wagon. You're gonna get sprayed again. Get in the wagon.
Wait, look at that. Look at that. All of that for what? What was this for? How many people is that? That's enough for. Yeah, I ain't gonna say that, but yeah.
You got his camera?
It's okay. Look at my nose, it goes one direction, comes back. I've broken it 3 times.
Oh, great.
So you're doing
It's my first bloody nose ever.
ever?
Really?
Ever in my life, yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
I know.
So,
She probably ain't doing as much dumb shit as he does, because looking at him, you can tell he a dumb ass.
stating she had like a 30-second seizure. Does she still need to be transported to the hospital?
She's got to get checked out.
I don't know how we're going to do that, but
Our ambulance is good with it, but
let's just go to Mary's.
okay. Yeah, we'll just put her on the.
They need to put her on restraints. They need neck restraints, arm restraints, leg restraints, a face cover. They need the whole nine.
Is she okay?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
fine.
You going with them or
With who? Do I
going
have
to the
to?
hospital?
Do I have to?
Don't
Yeah,
have to. No.
Yeah, if they don't think
I
it's
would go, babe.
broken.
Doesn't look like it.
Do you pinch up in this area? Does it feel like things are moving around?
Well, that's a good sign
Everything
right
seems
there.
pretty much standing in put.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels
Why is he so happy that her nose broke? It's like welcome to the broken nose club or some shit.
fine. It's mostly like right here in my
Yeah.
lip. I don't think they're chipped, right?
No, it's gonna look wonderful.
When you push your tongue, does anything move back and forth? Nope. Okay. Good.
This is the chick that climbed the tower.
Yeah. And beat up Jenny, and beat up this person, and did this. All the
So
charges
if you could
get
just get a
dropped.
statement, if you can.
They dropped the charges on her. You know, maybe because she was a kid, but nah.
Yeah, if you can't, I still got enough for what we have here. So.
They dropped these charges again. They just want somebody to die.
Thanks, guys. Thank you. It's my first bloody nose. It looks okay. They hurt.
This suspect was charged
Well, I thought he was a country singer the way he came out. I was like, who the fuck? Why you got a police badge on? You supposed to be singing a song.
with substantial
When your lips don't work like they used to before. Or whatever the fuck he said.
battery to public officers, resisting, obstructing, causing bodily harm, disorderly conduct, and 4 counts of bail jumping.
How the fuck you bail jump? Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. Guys, we are at 450,000 some subscribers on this page. Let's give it up for you guys. Thank you so much. We are growing at a rapid pace with the shorts and the long form content. I'm enjoying this journey with you guys. We're on our way to 1 million. Then after that, we're going to go to 5 million. Then after that, we're going to shoot for 10 million. So I am stoked. I'm so happy to be a part. I'm so happy for you guys to be a part of this journey. And we are going to fly high, baby. But that's it, baby. Out. Oh, shout out to, hold on. Everly, she always making it #1. Queen, Sanger, Layla, but she on vacation right now. We got JJ, Destiny, both the queens, Rena. Shout out to all you guys. I see you guys every day when I'm in the comments, and I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And we got, 2 more videos after this on this page. Then we got 1 more on the clips page. And JJ, I see your comment, bro. I am going to start posting back to my other pages. I've just been hella busy, but I got you. Those pages are going to be my morning time pages where I post in the morning time. So yeah, but we'll be getting back to posting those videos daily on those other pages as well. Give you guys more content. So shout out to JJ for seeing that, because man, it's been rough. I've been busy as fuck. But see you guys for the next premiere, and we are